We're going to start in a seated position in Sukhasana, which also is known as crisscross applesauce. Sit up nice and tall. I want you to feel your spine lifting up through the top of the head. So the tailbone is really grounding down, and we're lifting up tall through the top crown of the head. We're going to start by just circling our spine in one direction. So hold on to your knees as little anchors. We're going to go around for just about 30 seconds. I want you to really try to open up forward and release all the way back, all the way forward. So fill up that entire circle that you're creating. Really rocking forward, thinking of your pelvis as like a bowl, and you're tipping it forward and tipping it back. Really getting into the spine, trying to circle and hit every point on that circle. So back, all the little corners, side, corner. Nice. Let's reverse it the other way. Let the chin drop forward as you go back. Let the chin lift up as you go forward. Nice. Letting yourself just gently wake up this morning. Feels really good to move first thing when we wake up, to connect our bodies to our minds and to our breath as we set our intention for this day. And I always love to set an intention from a place of love. So let's do cat-cows in the same position. So really let the head go back. Really let the chin go forward, rounding the spine, rolling through. So coming from a place of love in everything that you're doing and the people that you deal with, right? It might be coworkers, yourself, always watching out for yourself, watching out for others. Maybe you have a big project that you're working on, and I want you to just really trust yourself that you're making good decisions. Trust your gut, trust your instincts. Good job. All right, we're going to place the hands on our shoulders now. We're going to just take a nice big twist. So you're going to twist, try to keep the spine up nice and tall. So making sure that you're not kind of falling down into the hips or the pelvis bowl. And then we're going to twist to the other side. And we're going to do this a little bit more vigorously as we begin to wake up the body. So just twist, twist, twist. Now I want you to add a breath. So every time you twist, you're going to take a nice strong inhalation through the nose. And you're going to quickly exhale so that you can inhale to go to the other side. Okay, so we're going to go. So you can stay looking forward if that helps you stay, not get so dizzy, or you can try looking to the side. Okay, so just do what works best for you. Keep the elbows up high, keep the shoulders relaxed. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the palms relax. Close your eyes. And I just want you to notice the energy that created throughout your body. Maybe you feel a little tingling sensation from the quick breaths that we took. That's just your blood circulating with new oxygen, and it's basically just detoxing your whole body. So notice how that brings energy and vibrancy to the entire body. And just welcome it. Welcome the new energy and the new opportunities that are about to come your way today. Take a nice big deep breath in. Exhale and blink the eyes open. Good job. We're going to keep moving. So let's take those hands underneath our shoulders. Knees are going to be underneath our hips. And we're just going to lift the left arm up towards the sky. Take a nice big expansion, really press into the right palm, and then we're gonna thread it through underneath. Keep that right palm down. You may need to readjust the placement of the right palm, and you're gonna extend the left leg or left arm out as you twist and look up. So use the right palm to really ground yourself down into the floor and look up. Have a slight engagement in the lower core. If it feels okay for you, maybe you want to take the right hand and you wrap it around the left thigh without shifting in the hips. Make sure you don't shift the hips over to the right. Keep those hips right in the center, so now you'll have to really anchor that left hand. We're opening up the shoulders, twisting the spine, gently waking up our body to this beautiful new day. Good, place the hand down and then lift the left arm back up to where we started and place it down. Good job. Let's go to the other side. Reach the right arm up. I want you to really feel this expansion. So press the left hand into the floor, reach the right fingertips up towards the sky, and then thread it through. Good job. Place the head on the floor and keep the left hand down and let that help open up the body. So we're twisting, keeping the hips over the knees. The head is just gently resting. So we're getting a nice shoulder stretch on the bottom arm. And then if you want to take it a little further, and if you did this on the other side, then you would just take the left hand and wrap it around your right thigh. And then now you're going to get this nice twist, or this nice opening in the left front shoulder. Just breathe into the stretch, relax, enjoy the pose, enjoy these moments that you have on your mat before your day starts. One more big deep breath in. Exhale, place the hand down, and let's unthread it, coming back the way we came. Nice big expansion, and place the hand down. Good, tuck those toes under, and we're just going to gently rock back and rock forward. Tuck those toes under, so you're gonna notice a nice little stretch in the bottom of those feet, so waking up those toes. And then I want you to begin to lift the knees up off the ground. So lift the knees off, push the hands into the floor, pull the lower belly in. Good. Nice. Now I want you to stay back there. And then I want you to just walk your hands back and gently bring your heels down to the floor into Yogi squat. Open up those feet a little bit and come down into your Yogi squat. So you may need blocks if you're someone who is like this and your heels are completely off the floor. That means you are really tight probably in the calves and the feet. So you may need to bring a block in place underneath you to help bring the floor up to you. It's also okay to kind of keep the hands there as you slowly stretch your way down. I like to bring my elbows out to the side, so I'm going to turn here so you can see me, so that it can help lengthen up my spine. So this is a really great stretch for the inner thighs, for those hips, and to wake up the spine as well. A little bit of core engagement too. Good. So if this is going well for you, you can either stay here, or we're going to add a little bit of mobility here. We're just going to let the knee come in and come back out. Let the knee drop in carefully and slowly and back in. Good. Let's bring into like a little yogi gun. So fingertip is forward, thumbs are out, and the rest of the fingers are clasped. And we're just going to let that knee draw in and up. Maybe this isn't available to you today, and that's okay. Maybe you have to do this with your hands on the ground. That's okay too. I want you to just find what works for you, find what feels good for you, okay? Just a few more times, opening up those hips, gently waking up the body, no jerky movements, really moving with compassion for where your body's at right now. Okay, it's so important to not compare your body to mine. I probably have a completely different background, right? I was a ballerina for many, many years. So, you can't compare one body to another one. Good, last one. Good. Place the hands on the ground and then just gently kind of bring those feet back together. No jerky movements again. And let the head hang completely like a rag doll. Shake out those legs. Shake out the head. Yes, saying yes to a brand new, beautiful day full of opportunities. Good. Grab onto opposite elbows. Keep those knees slightly bent to help support the pose. I just want you to relax here. Breathe. Let yourself kind of get lost in your body. So just hang here, grabbing opposite elbows, breathing into the pose. Maybe it feels okay for you to begin to straighten the legs a little bit more. Continue to breathe into those tight areas. Release the neck, release the tension of the shoulders. Good job. All right, we're going to take the palms. We're going to slip them underneath our feet. So maybe you've never done this before, so it might feel a little weird at first, but this is a great little hand massage that you can give yourself, and it helps to stretch the bottom of the feet as well. So if you need to keep your knees bent, definitely keep your knees bent. Or you can straighten the legs with me. Make sure that the weight is even in the feet. And then what I want you to do is try to lengthen the spine forward. Take a nice big inhale in. Exhale. Bend everything down so you notice my elbows open up. I'm going to turn forward so you can also see me here and place your curious of different angles. So you're going to lift your head up. And then you're going to exhale. Lower down. So you're kind of pulling on your own feet to help lengthen the body even more. Take a nice big inhale in. Exhale, pull on the feet. Bring the knee to the nose to the knee. One more time. Inhale in. And exhale. Nice job. Let go of the feet and the hands. And then I want you to bend the knees this time and slowly keep the head down. I want you to be looking like at your thighs, at your belly button. Slowly roll yourself up. One vertebrae at a time. Look at your belly button right here. Slowly roll up with me. Slow, slow, slow. Getting into your body. Still looking at your belly button. Still looking at your belly button. Still stacking up to the very top. Then once you reach a straight spine, shoulders open, and then head comes up last. Nice job. That should feel really good. We're going to reach the arms up. So I'm going to face forward so you can see me. Let's bring those big toes together, heels apart. Reach the arms up, clasp up on top. So first finger and thumb are out. Lift up nice and tall. I want you to bend over to the side like you're going up and over something, and lift up. Now we're opening up the side of our body and up. Good. We're going to just go back and forth a few times just like this, beginning to wake up the core, feeling the feet grounded into the floor. So I want you to imagine all four corners of the feet pressing into the floor. So those big toes, pinky toes, and back side of the heels. Take a nice big inhale at the top. Exhale as you bend over to the side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Really stretching the sides of the body by reaching the arms long. A few more times like that. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last time. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, let's hold it. Lift up really long. This is our last pose together. Lift up really long. Reach out to the sides. Pull the lower belly in. Extend long through the sides of the body. Engage. Hug those outer hips in. So squeeze those glutes just a tad. And come on up. Let's go to the other side. So squeeze those glutes just a little bit to help stabilize the pose. Lift up and over something. Pull the lower belly in. Open up. Stretch the sides of the body. And come on up. Nice job. Release the arms. You get a little tense there. Let's just take one last stretch. I know we said that was the last one, but clasp those hands behind you, or maybe you need to just grab opposite elbows if you're too tight, and just release the neck back. Nice big inhale in. Exhale forward.